Okay, so for our last discussion, we are going to divide a monomial by a monomial, and meron pa palang isa, yung divide a monomial by a polynomial. Okay? So, kanina multiplication, ngayon ay division. And syempre, kapag nakakita kayo ng ganitong situation, and this is a monomial, kasi wala naman nag-separate sa kanila na addition or subtraction. This is also a monomial. Kaya, monomial by a monomial. And as you can see, fraction yan, kaya that is division. Okay? And then, gagamit tayo dito ng quotient rule. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo mga bunso, alamin nyo yung all about the law of exponent. Ayan, ilalagay ko yan syempre dito. May tutorial tayo dyan. And kailangan alam nyo yung lahat ng law of exponent, especially yung product rule, quotient rule, the zero integral exponent rule, and the negative integral exponent rule. Kasi magagamit nyo yan. Hindi lang dito sa grade 7, pati pa sa mga pataas na grade level. Okay, so importante yan. So, syempre, ano ba ang sinasabi ni quotient rule? Ito naman, kabaliktaran kay product rule. Kung si product rule, i-add natin yung exponent, dito naman ay isusubtract natin yung exponent na dapat ay magkaparehas yung base or in a condition na pare-parehas yung base. Doon lang tayo makakapag-subtract ng exponent, kagaya din ni product rule. Okay? Na mag-a-add naman doon. So, ito, madali lang to mga bunso. We are just going to divide first itong dalawang numerical coefficient. Okay? So, that is 36 divided by 12. And 36 divided by 12, that is 3. And then, right after that, tingnan nyo yung variable na kasunod. We have a raised to 7. Ayan. So, meron ba siyang kagayang variable sa ating denominator? Of course, yes. Itong si a raised to 5. Diba? So, therefore, kopyahin nyo lang yung a na yan. Ayan, yung base. And then, you subtract 7 to 5. 7 minus 5, that is 2. Therefore, we have a raised to 2. And yun yung sinasabi sa atin ni quotient rule. And then, sunod-sunod lang, basta hahanap lang kayo na magkaparehas na base. Kagaya nitong b raised to 9, kaparehas na si b raised to 6. Therefore, kopyahin si b, and then subtract 9 minus 6. That is 3. Therefore, we have b cube. Okay? And then, syempre, meron pa tayong c. Ayan. C raised to 1 and c raised to 2. So, what are we going to do with that is to copy c and then 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2, that is negative 1. Okay? And dito, hindi pa tayo tapos. Why? Kasi dapat ay walang negative na exponent when we are talking about a polynomial. Okay? So, this is a monomial, pero dapat walang negative na exponent. So, what are we going to do is to use the negative integral exponent rule doon sa law of exponent. Ano yung sinasabi ng rule na yon? Kapag daw yung variable ay may negative na exponent, ang gagawin natin dyan ay ibababa natin yan sa denominator. Okay? So, therefore, ibababa natin itong c. Kasi meron siyang negative 1. Kasi kailangan natin ma-eliminate yung negative na exponent. Okay? Therefore, we have 3a raised to 2, b raised to 3 over c. Kailangan mong ibaba si c para maging positive yung exponent. Positive 1 na yan. And automatic, hindi na natin yan ilalagay. Therefore, that would be the final answer. 3a raised to 2, b cubed over c. Ganun lang kasimple. So, this is our last example. We have here, divide a polynomial by a monomial. So, ito, madali lang dito mga bunso. Whenever na makakakita kayo ng ganitong itsura or situation, what are we going to do is to just divide each terms ng ating polynomial sa ating monomial na nasa baba. For example, kunin mo lang ng x squared, i-divide mo yan kay x. Okay? And then, kunin mo yung plus. Plus, kunin si 2x, i-divide mo din yan kay x. And then, 6 as well. So, plus 6 divide x. Okay? So, lahat ng terms ng polynomial na to, this is a trinomial. Okay? So, lahat ng terms nila ay i-divide mo sa monomial na nasa baba or nasa denominator. So, kaya meron tayong x squared over x plus 2x over x plus 6 over x. So, just do the quotient rule. Same process. Ito lang yung naiba. Ayan. Ganyan lang yung gagawin kapag polynomial na and a monomial ang pinag-uusapan. So, therefore, we have here x raised to 2 divided by x. Kopyahin si x. Automatic, ito ay i-subtract natin sa exponent na nandito. Tama? Kasi we have division. Remember the quotient rule? So, 2 minus 1, that is 1. Therefore, wala na tayong ilalagay na exponent dito. Plus, 2 divided by 1, kasi automatic may 1 din na numerical coefficient dito. So, dahil wala, so we have to copy 2, and then, wait lang. And then, x divided by x, that is x raised to 0. Kasi 1 minus 1, automatic yan. 1 minus 1 is 0. Tama? Plus 6 over x. Okay, kasi wala naman tayong na-divide dito. Tama? Kasi wala namang kasamang x na variable, si 6. Okay? And then right after that, we are just going to simplify. So, itong x, okay na siya. Kopyahin na lang natin yan. Plus 2x raised to 0. Remember, sa zero integral exponent rule, whenever na makakakita kayo ng exponent na 0, that is always equal to 1. Therefore, that is 2 times 1 yan. 2 times 1. And 2 times 1 is 2, of course. Therefore, 2 na lang yung ilalagay natin dyan. And then, itong 6 over x, wala na tayong gagawin dyan. So, kopyahin na lang. Therefore, our final answer will be x plus 2 plus 6 over x. Ganun lang kasimpleng mag-divide ng polynomial by a monomial. Okay? Actually, meron pang isang category si division. Yung division of a polynomial by a binomial, pero hindi ko na siya gagawin dito sa video natin for today kasi meron na akong tutorial doon. Puntahan nyo na lang. And yung gagawin doon is the long division. Yun yung method kapag magdi-divide tayo ng polynomial by a binomial. Okay? So, lalagay ako dito ng picture or itsura niya. Ayan. And syempre, yung tutorial nandiyan dyan. Okay? So, I guess that would be all for this video. Thank you so much everyone for watching and I hope na may natutunan kayo sa akin in this lesson, especially yung aking mga grade 7 students over the screen. Ayan, so wag niyo kalimutang i-share ito sa inyong mga friends, classmates, mga pinsan, kamag-anak na mga grade 7 para naman syempre lahat tayo ay matuto. 'Di ba? Sharing is caring. Okay? And then of course, huwag niyo kalimutang i-subscribe, i-like tong video na to, and of course, i-hit mo na din yung notification bell down below para palagi kang updated whenever na magpo-post ako ng math tutorials dito sa ating mini classroom sa YouTube. So, pagpasensya nyo na yung boses ko kasi kakagaling ko lang sa sipon. And kaya nga hindi ako nakapag-video nitong mga nakaraang araw kasi nagkasakit tayo. Ayan. Pero okay na tayo ngayon. So, more math tutorials soon. Ayan. So, always remember to make your day productive by gaining knowledge. Again, this is Mariel and see you on my next video.